Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background so you never lose the original. Select the number plate tightly with the lasso or rectangular marquee tool. You want clean edges but include a little border. Once selected, open Content Aware Fill so Photoshop can sample surrounding texture. This is the key. Make sure sampling area option is set to auto and color adaptation is on, because the algorithm uses nearby tones and patterns to recreate the area. You're initiating the only reliable method here, so proceed now. Once the initial fill preview appears, inspect for repeating patterns or blurred edges. You need a natural result. Use the sampling brush to include helpful source pixels and exclude problematic areas like reflections or badges, because the quality depends on the samples. Then tweak color adaptation and rotation settings to blend color and grain. If small artifacts remain, switch to clone stamp at low opacity or the spot healing brush to paint subtle corrections. Work in short strokes. You're close to done. Flatten a copy for final checks, then add a tiny amount of Gaussian blur or camera noise to match the image grain so the patched area doesn't stand out. Once done, zoom out and examine at multiple sizes. Human perception catches inconsistencies at different scales. If you still see halos or mismatched texture, don't panic. Reopen Content Aware Fill and refine the sampling area, or use the patch tool on problem spots. One key tip: undo and iterate with smaller selections for better control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.